Hi, welcome to my piano lesson. My name is Hiroshima. In this lesson, I'll show you how to play Jump by Van Halen. Okay, here we go! This main riff is 4-verse loop pattern. Left hand first 3 bars hold C note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1. And 4 bars is F and G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The right hand first chord is G over C. G and B and D. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, next chord is C. G and C and E. Next chord is F over C, F and A and C, 2 times 1 and 2 and. And next chord is G over C, G and B and D, 2 times C and 4 and 1 and. Okay, next chord is C, G, C and E. And next chord is F over C, F, A, C. And next chord is F over C inversion, G and F and A. And next chord is C over F, C, E, G. And last chord is G sus4. C and D and G. 1 and 2 and C and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and C. Okay, both hands together. And next rhythm is change 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, both hands together. And next time. Okay, last 4 bars. First chord is F over C, F and A and C. And next chord is C, C and E and G. And next chord is F over C, C, F, A. Let's play together slow version. Okay, normal temps sound like this. That is for today's lesson. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe here. Thank you. Bye.